Welcome to AIMonster training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate leads from your site. Go to the left menu and click on the Manage Sites option. Now you are on the Manage Site page. Click on the Site Setting option. Enable the Pop-up View option and choose the Pop View option according to your choice. In the onload pop-up will show when the user loads the site. On exit pop-up will show when the user exits the site screen. In time delay pop-up will show according to your given time delay. You can get leads from the site by using this pop-up option. All of your generated leads are shown in the Leads section. Your leads will also be added in autoresponder when you integrate any autoresponder in integration section. You can manage your leads via GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, or MailChimp. Thanks for watching the video.